Hi guys, welcome to TechBased. In this video, we're going to talk about Windows 11 25H2. Well, Windows 11 25H2 is officially releasing today. It will be a rollout that will start today, and of course, not everyone will get the update right away, but there are of course methods that you can use to get the update right away. And in this video, I'm going to show you, and also I'm going to tell you everything that you need to know about this new update, Windows 11 25H2. We're going to talk about how to install it, how to upgrade to it, specific things about Windows 11 25H2, such as new features, information, and so on. So if you enjoy videos like these, please don't forget to leave a like below and also subscribe to TechBased channel with the notification bell activated so that you won't miss any future uploads like this one. So let's begin with the video. First of all, to get the latest update, Windows 11 25H2, if you already have Windows 11 24H2 installed, or if you have a compatible computer, you're just gonna have to open up the settings app, go into the Windows update section, make sure you check get the latest updates as soon as they're available, and then click on check for updates. And you should get a banner that will tell you that Windows 11 25H2 is available to download. You can click on download and install and get the latest version of Windows 11 25H2. What you'll notice first of all is that the upgrade will be very fast. It will take just a few minutes because Windows 11 25H2, for those of you who don't know, it's just an enablement package. So features that are new to Windows 11 24H2 will be pretty much the same as 25H2, at least for the moment. But of course, this marks the end of 23H2 and the beginning of 25H2, which will bring on new features in the coming months. And of course, all the new features that we've talked about previously will be gradually rolling out in certain big updates monthly. In this video, of course, I'm going to briefly mention all the new features that are releasing today related to Windows 11 25H2 and 24H2. As I've said, Windows 11 25H2 being an enablement package, it means that it is not a huge update. It is only a version change that will start the rollout of certain features. Talking about new features that you should be able to get if you didn't have Windows 11 24H2 installed already and now you're upgrading to 25H2 directly, you're going to notice certain new AI features related to click to do, a new AI agent in settings, and also you're going to notice that the search box will be at the top and in the center. And if you have a Copilot Plus PC, you're going to be able to search for settings without knowing their name, only describing it, because AI will help you. Also, you now have the options to move the hardware indicators on your screen. So for example, if you are on a laptop, you may notice that these hardware indicators will be at the bottom center. Well, you can now move them if you want by just opening up the settings app, go to system, notifications, and then at the bottom, we're going to have the option position of on-screen indicators. You can change it to bottom left, top left, bottom center, and so on. As you can see, this is where the hardware indicator or the brightness cloud is at the moment. And also they have nice animations that you can see. I think it's a nice change in my opinion. Inside the File Explorer, you may notice some new AI actions, which basically mean that whenever you right-click on an image, you're going to get these new AI actions, which will include visual search with Bing, blur background with photos, erase objects with photos, and also remove background with Paint. Also, if you try to share a file, you may notice that you now have the option to pin your favorite apps here, and this is pretty nice if you ask me, in the Windows Share window, of course. In the Settings app, we're also getting the new Advanced Settings page. If you go into System and then Advanced, we're going to notice that here, we're going to have a lot of options related to File Explorer, such as showing file extensions, showing hidden files, and so on. Also related to virtual workspaces, terminal for developers, and also dev drives. This is a very nice settings page for people that are developers or advanced users. Of course, we can talk about the new administrator protection and also new passkeys plugins, which are some pretty useful things. And also inside the settings app, Microsoft is moving a lot of options. To be more exact, inside time and language, date and time, also time and language, language and region, a lot of options from the old control panel will be moved here. There are also certain gaming improvements. For example, the Xbox controller support for gaming on Windows 11 has been improved. Short pressing the Xbox button opens the game bar, and also long pressing the Xbox button will now open task view. Also, certain dialogues were changed. Whenever you open apps that cannot open, for example, those dialogues will be changed. And alongside with that, of course, a lot of improvements for voice access, narrator, and so on, with a lot of small improvements and fixes for all parts of the Windows 11 operating system. I think all these improvements overall are pretty useful and interesting for Windows 11. You're also going to be able to notice a new Copilot app homepage, which Microsoft is starting to add in these new updates, and also some updates related to the Microsoft Store with some new improvements. Of course, I'm going to make an in-depth video maybe tomorrow or the day after tomorrow, in which we'll talk about all the new features that you can expect in Windows 11 25H2 and also 24H2, as I've said, because these two versions of Windows 11, at least for the moment, are getting the same features. But of course, I'll always recommend being on the latest version, which is 25H2. For more information, of course, you can check out the article below in the video's description, and also the official Microsoft blog post if you want to learn more. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to leave a like below and also subscribe to the TechBased channel with the notification bell activated activated so that you won't miss any future uploads like this one. I was your man, your home tech base. Until next time, have a nice day.